Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your PC and files so the process is stable. First, make sure your machine meets the 64-bit, 8+ GB memory and modern GPU requirements because performance matters. Emulation is CPU/GPU intensive. Once done, rip or source a clean Xbox 360 disk image. Integrity prevents crashes. Then install the Xenia build and apply the latest shader cache and GPU backend. This step gets you into a runnable state fast, so you can move directly into networking and multiplayer setup. Next, you configure networking so multiplayer works like an Xbox. Pick a LAN tunneling service that emulates Xbox Live sessions. This bypasses official live restrictions by faking LAN discoverability. Then, forward the necessary UDP ports or enable the tool's built-in VPN to avoid strict NAT, a stable 50+ megabit connection, and low ping reduced to sync. After that, map your emulator's console ID and set NAT to open when possible. And join or create a session, so finally, you launch the game through Xenia with your networking plugin active, then join a lobby to confirm friends can see and join you. Test voice and controller input immediately because input mapping issues are common. Remap if needed. If you encounter desyncs or disconnects, lower graphics settings or enable fixed frame timing and restart the tunneling service. The most frequent fix is changing NAT to open, reinstalling shader cache, or switching to an alternative LAN tunnel. Try those steps in order to restore stable play.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.